She was Playboy Playmate of the Year in 2014, and now she is a day trader. Kennedy Summers, hey, thanks for joining us. First of all, I've got to ask, how did you become a day trader?
So I actually got sponsored to give a speech at an equities.com small caps all-star conference, and when I did that, they taught me how to day trade so that I could give a speech to these money managers, and it just so worked out that I really loved it and I stuck with it.
So now, explain how your day works, because I read somewhere where you get up at 5 a.m. and you just go right at it. You just start day trading like crazy.
Yeah, I wake up around 5. I trade from about, I start looking at my stocks around 5:30. I'm in the trading room at Cyber Trading University, and I also, I work on my own a little bit. And then by 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm done. I'm at the gym with the trainer, and I'm on with my day to my modeling, acting, everything else.
What's your technique? Okay, and I mean, day trading, you're a pure day trader. That means you're flat at the end of the day. You don't go home with any positions. But how do you choose on what you want to buy at the open?
I look for volatility and I look for volume. Those are my two big ones. I want the ones that are big movers. If it's a big downtrend, I want to short it. If it's a big uptrend, I want to go long. I want to be out by the end of the day. For me, that's usually 8 in the morning. There's a lot of movement in the morning, and so I like to be out really early.
So you're not trying to pick reversals or things like that. You're not picking tops. You're not picking bottoms. You're mostly going with momentum, and you use, I would suspect, really tight stops.
Sorry, I missed that last one.
How do you protect yourself? Do you use tight stop losses?
No, I actually don't. I just keep a really close eye on my charts. I don't think I ever get into more than like 10 or 15 stocks at a time. I keep a chart up on my trade station with every single stock I'm in, and I just kind of trade that way. The
day Fitbit went public, we told our audience to buy the stock. Matt McCall was really hot on it, and he noticed that you make money, so he wants to ask you a question. Hold on, Matt McCall.
So, nice to see you, Kenny. Did a little research today, saw on your Twitter, bought Fitbit, made a big profit today. So, are you still in Fitbit? Should we buy it? Is that a stock that we should be buying here? Because we said buy it, and it's up about 50% since then.
I'm in and out at the end of the day, so I got out of it this morning. I made, I think, like a $1,000 profit or $1,400 profit, and I signed out.
Listen, day trading was huge at one point. A lot of people were trying to do it, and then, of course, we had that big crash, and it wiped a whole lot of people out. Is this something that you think more Americans should start to consider? Because this has been a volatile market, and it's been a market that people could have made a lot of money in. Is this something that you would encourage the average person?
Yeah, I absolutely do encourage people to get in there. Like, once you learn how to do this is a useful skill. There are days where I have joked with my friends. I'm like, I turned my computer into an ATM this morning. Like, I made $200 in 1 minute just by clicking a button.
Wow, it's a beautiful thing. Hey, thank you very much. We hope next time you're in New York, you'll join us on set.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you soon.